So almost correct. A bit bigger.
So it is another day. We're back on the mesh.
Another dollar, another day.
This is us in the middle of doing the head gasket on the mesh. And you appear to be looking for a spanner for something else.
Aha, this one fits.
What you got that spanner for?
I'm going to change the shock absorbers.
Is that essentially, is that in the list, in the manual for
But it's
doing
only
the head gasket?
It's 4 nuts and bolts.
See? Do you want to smell?
Nope.
Okay. They're not 17, are they?
That one was.
No, if they're not 17M, we don't go back with the other end of the same 17 spanner, do we?
Well, give me the 16 back, because that one was 17. See, that's not 16 either.
Is it not?
Oh dear. Hold that one. Hold the bike, it's all going to move, isn't it? You've got one job here. Someone put this on tape.
Hang on. What did you just do?
That went snap, did you hear it?
Yeah.
That was a right snap. Does that mean it's broke?
We don't know yet.
No. See? Dealt with that.
So you're a pro now.
I had porridge for breakfast.
Ah.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter and porridge. I'm so glad that you wiped with that oil that I said to wipe up.
What oil? I'm stepping in it now as well. It's fine, it's fine. Don't have to have a tantrum about it, do you? Deal with it. Dealing with it. Fixed.
Fixed. They are quite rusty, that. Rusty stud. What size is that one?
17.
Ah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Right, lower down, Em.
All right. Open your hand and push down, or your foot. You just don't want to crash your knuckles into things.
No, I was going to use my foot. My foot was always the plan there.
You've already done your knuckles in it.
My legs yeah, my hands are so sore. All cut in there. That's from washing it. So bad for me.
It's dangerous washing bikes, isn't it? Maybe we just never have to do it again. It's too risky. So why are we taking these off?
Because I've got new ones.
Where do they come from?
Adam. My friend Adam. At
Okay.
Tenerife on Triumph. They come back in my suitcase.
Right, do you want a bit of Freddie advice?
Freddie advice.
Yeah, because he's done this before and then got stuck. So I'd leave that nut
Do I
on.
want to go this way on
No,
this?
you want to leave that nut on.
Why?
You do one at a time. Take them both off. What do you think's going to happen? Yeah. It's good cleaning action, that is. Okay. Take your shackles over off. You're going to want both hands. I'll be a spanner holder. There we go.
That come off so easy. Oh, we've been the tip as well today.
You need
There's a slippy
parts from
spot there. I need what?
You need bits from that.
Why?
You need the inner sleeves.
Oh, these bits.
Yeah, so we need to get those out. Which means we need to get to the vice. Except for, you seem to put a motorbike in the way.
Oh.
Is it going to rain?
I don't know. Not the weather people.
Let's put the...
60% likely like yesterday as
It
today.
wasn't raining yesterday. Let's put the Honda outside. One.
This cameraman is shocking. I'll tell you all, I keep saying and doing things and he goes, that's really good, let me get the camera. Go back, start
There are
again.
stacks of footage to edit through.
Feel
so
like you need an X on the spot where you keep moving me to.
it's there.
Don't look at my grufty trainers.
Two steps from the leaf. Go on.
But I was just saying how much better they're going to look because I haven't got reams of cash to throw at this bike yet, but just little and often we're going to make changes. And this is just already, I think, I've only placed it on there at the minute just so I can have a look because I feel like I've got a before and after. But this side, it's just so rusty and it's already looking better. And I think when it's got some nice shiny little end caps on it as well,
Yep.
I think it's going to look really just tidy at the back.
Okay.
But I was also just saying that about just touching the frame up in little places with some black
you got a
paint.
few little just rusty spots, didn't you?
Yeah,
Here,
we
there
can
and
just
everywhere.
make it tidier.
But
But I did give it a bit of a wash, and I am going to use, when we've gotten further along, we have some salt remover because I want to keep riding
yes.
in the winter. So we're going to chuck some of that on it. There's also some anti-rust stuff in there, which I'll put on the things that aren't rusty already.
So we need to get that shock absorber back off. You've just
It's
fitted.
only placed it on, it's not really fitted, it's just like literally.
Because we don't have the inserts in there, so we need to use your original ones. So we'll steal those. And then on the bench is the nylon brush.
Yep.
That will clean the threads of the studs.
Oh,
And then you just want some Scotch Brite just to do the flat bit where those
yeah.
liner bushes go onto.
So can I do this while you prize these out of here? Because this, I know we've done this together before.
Yeah, you don't like that job.
It's not a me job.
No. So you want the little brush, and we don't want it on the threads because it will affect the torque figure. You just want a little dabble around the flat surface.
Like that?
Yep,
On both sides?
yep, just stop them seizing up.
Any which way?
So you want this weld seam towards the inside because it just doesn't look very nice.
And there's no left and right, is there, on shock absorbers?
No, but there's a top and bottom.
Yeah, it's this way around, isn't
Yep.
it? You had me thinking then. Way.
Way. That's the weight of the bike. So are you too low or too high?
I don't know.
I'm going to guess
Yeah,
too low.
push, push, push.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't think things just take us twice as long, do they?
No.
I just asked what goes first, spring or flat, and then he said flat. Then I went to put it on. I was told to
Include the people.
with me, half an hour into my 10-minute job.
Good.
Yeah. Of course we're good. We're doing hobby time. Ta-da! The other side just slid off, you see.
It might be sticky.
Oh,
Here she comes.
there you go.
Okay.
You just can't get this stuff.
Terrible camera person. People must notice the difference.
I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm so great. Using this camera is difficult because when we first had the GoPro is when you're pointing, you're holding, you're looking, it's all the same. Whereas on this, you're looking about 2-3 inches lower from the camera for the screen. But I love how the other day you were reminding me about when we very first had this camera and how ginger I was with it in turning it on and using it because it was new and shiny. Not so careful
Now it gets
with
stung
it now.
everywhere, doesn't it? Right. So those are your brushes in.
Yes.
Can you grab it off me?
Give it here.
Like it belongs to you.
It does.
Right.
It's because you're jealous. Because you
You
wanted
done your
them.
copper?
Not yet. My bushes and stuff's there, ready and waiting. I didn't want the stuff to go off. Have this back.
Back to the premium cameraman.
I didn't do this because if I'd have done it,
You forgot.
No, because I even moved the pot round. I didn't forget. I just didn't want the warning. I wasn't ready with the camera. Go again. Look, this wire's in the way. We need to cut this wire off.
Ready?
Some more. More. Right, up a little bit more.
Hang on. It's easy when you sat there, isn't it? Just up a bit more.
It's not going. Up, lift the bike up.
I've had it in the air. You're still not doing it, are you? You clown. Get out of the way.
No. Are you glad I snuck this extra little job in?
Extra little job. There we go. There you go.
There you go.
Right.
Here you go, cameraman. This is so exciting. Do you know why this is more exciting than the head gasket? Why is it more exciting than the head gasket?
Why is it more exciting than the head gasket?
Because it's a really visual change. Changing the head gasket is like when you do things in your house that you don't then get to see.
Plumbing.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because it's a real, and that for me is much better. I think that's why I get more excited when things start going back together with all the bits that you like are going to see.
Yeah. Nice. Happy?
Yeah. Ooh.
Any different?
Yeah.
How so?
Like firmer. Much firmer. What is this? The nut that's my one?
Yep. Job done.
Job done.
Just need to try it on the road now.
Yeah, I need to clean under the seat.
Is that getting you, is it?
Yeah, look at that.
All in bits.
That's because I actually didn't do a bad job of this. I thought
it was
worse than it was. Yeah.
Yeah. But we'll call it there. And then we're going to crack on and do some head gaskety stuff.
That's for the next video.
That'll be the next video. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.